When sending user auto messages within Engage, we have the option to send them inside your app. In this video, I'm going to bring you through the setup of a welcome message for your brand new users. We'll set it to send to your users who log in for the very first time, and we'll make sure it sends within your app. To show you what we'll build, let's sign up to our test environment for the very first time and see it in action. If we sign up here, once we enter the app, we'll get a welcome message. All new users who sign up for the very first time will get this message just like I did. So let's jump into Engage to get started. First, let's create the message by clicking the blue button in the top right. Next, let's give this message a title that lets anyone identify it. Using descriptive names from the start will help you when you have lots more messages in the future, so always remember to keep them in sync. Now, let's choose our audience. To target brand new users going forward, we'll target the people who sign up after today. This will mean anyone who signs up after today, i.e. new signups, will get this message. And to take this a bit further, I'll add a rule to target users who haven't read our beginner's guide. To do this, we target people where read beginner's guide is false. This will let us send a more targeted message later on. It's also important to note, this Read Beginner's Guide event is a custom event that we've brought into Intercom, so you won't see it in your app unless you create it. So our message will send to people who haven't read our Beginner's Guide and who sign up after today. Next, let's select the channel to ensure it sends inside our app. To do this, we select In-App. And to build on this, I want to ensure the message is sent on our home page of the application. To do this, I'll set the message to deliver only via our web app, and I'll target the projects page as that's the first page our users will see in the test environment. When targeting a specific page, you have a number of options. You can set the exact URL by using URL is. You can target a page using a certain keyword of that URL by choosing URL contains. And finally, you can use URL matches to target Ruby regular expressions. If you don't understand what a Ruby regular expression is, don't worry, your tech team will understand. For this example, we'll use URL contains projects. And that's it for part one. We set the who and where of our message, so we know the message will only be sent to brand new users who sign up after today and who haven't read our beginner's guide, and it'll only be sent on the projects page of our app. In the next video, I'll bring you through writing the actual message. Before that, try setting up the who and where for your own message and see how you get on.